It's easy as we look around us in today's world. We see wars, we see poverty, we see people having to flee their homes and their countries. We see so many situations of separateness, divisiveness, of right and wrong, of good v bad, that through the process we forget that actually we're all on this journey together. We're all wanting to experience the same thing. We all want to experience love within ourselves and then for others, for ourselves and for others. But as we witness the world around us, as we get caught up in this drama that is life, it's easy to forget who we really are. But deep down we know who we are. Deep down we know that we are love. Deep down we know that we have compassion as an innate experience within us. That we don't wish to see anyone else suffering, including ourselves. That we don't wish to see children going hungry, families being split up, people warring, killing one another. This is not who we are. Our innate nature is love. We are all part of the same fabric that makes up this experience. We are in no way separate from one another. We are no way separate from nature. We are one. And so as you move through your day to day, my encouragement is to take a moment. Take a moment to breathe the air that each and every one of us breathes. Take a moment to look within your heart and say, am I coming from the true essence of who I am? Am I coming from a place of love today? Am I experiencing my partner, my children, my colleagues, my family members through a funnel of compassion? Am I allowing the people in my life to be heard? Am I listening? Am I looking to fuel the fire of chaos and drama, or am I looking to dampen it, to soften it, to offer people a new way of seeing things, to offer people a new perspective, to remind people, including myself, that we are interconnected, we are interdependent. This is my encouragement today. You are love, I am love, we are together love. And this is what our world needs to heal. This is what our world is seeking, is hungering for. This is what we are all yearning for. To experience love and peace and joy and bliss. To experience a world that our children and their children's children will grow into and feel proud and connected to one another, no matter of the colour of their skin, no matter of their sexual preference, no matter who they are and where they are, they can feel a sense of brotherhood and sisterhood. So go today. Offer love from the deepest place in your heart. Show compassion. Take a moment to spend time with nature. Get intimate with it. Realize that you are love.